back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on this BMW. They brought it down last night all the way from Colorado. We're going to be doing some front end painting. We're going to be painting the hood, the two fenders, and the bumper. Sun damage, as you guys can see. A little bit of rock chips here. We're going to be taking it all apart. We're going to wash it now so we can actually see. You can see some sun damage here. But alright, this is what we got for today. BMW all the way from Colorado. Alright guys, we got the hood and the bumper off. I'm gonna go ahead and leave the fenders on. I'm just gonna mask it off. That way I can go ahead and touch up the small little rock chips it has there. Everything else is good. And then I'll go ahead and paint that. I did notice this hood is hail damage, so I'm gonna just go real quick, pick me up a hood, a used hood, and then that way I can get rid of this one. It's got a lot of dents, not even worth fixing. The bumper is still good. I just need to sand it down. It's got a lot of highway, chips, but I can save that. I just need to sand it all down and then prep it for paint. Alright guys, we got the fenders all taped up, both sides. I'm gonna go ahead and shoot some primer on it. I'm gonna do 2 to 3 coats. I'm gonna wet sand it down, and then we'll go ahead and put some base coat and some clear. I do have the bumper in the back. I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna shoot that with primer also, 2 to 3 coats. Sand it down, and it should be ready for paint also. What's up guys, welcome back. We got some more parts in from the BMW from Colorado. Brought it down to Rob's Customs, get some paint done, work done. Here's the hood. We went ahead and replaced the hoods, and it did have hail damage. Quick and easier just to replace it. We are doing the bodywork repair on the trunk lid and the roof. It is primed, it's ready to get some color. Got it here. Spray with my Tecna, and the bumper has been painted and ready to go, ready to install. So I'm gonna go ahead and shoot this both sides, probably just 2 coats here since it's just the underside, and then I'm gonna do 3 coats on here. All right, perfect. Alright guys, hood is done. Pulled it out so it can start baking. Came out real good. Like I said, it will need to be cut and buff. Alright, we got the trunk done and the roof. Ready for base coat. Let's go ahead and hit it. Alright. Alright guys, it's all been cleared up. Came out good. Glassed up. We are going to be cutting and buffing it. And then I did spray this passenger fender too. Came out good. I'm gonna let it cure, and then I'm gonna go ahead and pull it outside. Perfect. Guys, we're back with the BMW. We got it all painted, trunk, roof, and hood. And then we did ahead and replace the BMW badges. I did order some new ones. She came out real good, nice and shiny. Customer's gonna love it. All the way from Colorado. Fender, hood, fender, bumper, hood, trunk and roof. That's gonna be it, guys. Another one done. All right, guys, that's gonna be it. Like, comment, subscribe. We got some more videos rolling in. More painting since the sunroofs are still discontinued. But that's gonna be it for the BMW. I did pick up a BMW 5 Series 550i, I believe it is, at auction. I do buy cars at auction and fix them up and flip them. I did buy an Acura 3.0 CL a while back, maybe about 2 months ago, and I just picked up this BMW. I'm gonna be getting it prepped, getting it ready. I buffed out the paint. We'll see. Might paint the rims black on this BMW. I know my daughter wants it, but we'll see. I'll get some video of it when I do bring it over. I do have it at my brother's just because I have a lot of cars out here at my house. But I am done with this Beamer. Gonna go pick up the other Beamer, and then we still have the minor painting on the passenger side bed along with that deck. All right, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.